Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Here we're going to go through the Toughbuilt scraper utility knife. Comes with 10 blades when already installed. So let's check it out. Alright, let's get into this thing. It has a zip tie right there holding it into the package that runs up here. Just gotta do that, and it looks like just pull the blade right out. Okay. There we go. Now, I've been testing it out in the package, so I kind of got the gist of it. Press this little gray button to unlock it, because it is locked otherwise. Press it in, bring it up, allow it to release, and it's locked open in the standard blade mode. Press it in, push it up all the way, and then it becomes a scraper, which is pretty neat. No, the scraper, you don't have much clearance here than a standard scraper, but like when you have it like this, if you keep your finger on the gray part, it'll just automatically go down. You gotta kind of release it before you let it go. Then it'll lock right up there. Not bad, not bad at all. Feels like metal here, of course. It has to be because it has a paint can lid remover. Metal, rubber along the sides, piece of plastic there, probably to go with the color scheme that they want. And then to change the blade, oh, I see. Pull to the side. Yeah. The side. There we go. Take the blade out. Now the blades do have the two standard notches and a hole in the center, probably because you needs to hold on to that for when it's in scraper mode. This will probably come right out. Let me get another standard blade. I'll test that out. And I'll just take it out of here. Here's a standard blade. No hole in the middle, but the two notches. Take it out. Put it in there. Probably won't even lock. Yep, won't even lock. Because if you do that, probably, yep, just comes right out. Cannot use standard blade on this. You have to use their blades. There we go. All right, let's test out things like the paint can lid remover. It is kind of thick, so see how that works out for us. It is kind of thick, but should work just fine on that, because of course it is made for paint can. Does bring it up rather easy. So there you go on that. Alright, so standard utility knife is like here. And the Toughbuilt is right there. It is larger, it is bulkier, a lot bigger. And if you're used to these that will fold, it is a lot bigger to carry around. If you're spoiled by these, you might not like that, or might change your mind. Never know. But I like the idea of the scraper. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. But, what, Greg? Oh, you got something. That's great. All right. Let's do this. Greg, what the hell did I just watch?